Have you ever wondered how companies keep sensitive data safe from the wrong hands? The answer lies in something called access control. Access control is a security method that regulates who can access or use resources in a system. Think of it as the digital version of a lock and key. Imagine an apartment building. Only residents can enter, right? At the main door, you use a key card. That's authentication. But you can't open every door. You're only authorized to access your own apartment. In the digital world, it's the same. Logging in proves who you are, but what you can access depends on your authorization level. There are different types of access control, from user-defined permissions to role or attribute-based models, depending on security needs. Without access control, anyone might access sensitive data, leading to data breaches, legal trouble, and lost customer trust. Whether in your home or your company's network, access control helps keep things safe and secure. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay secure. Like and subscribe for more videos.